This video presents the 3D FireLab project. 3D FireLab is supported by the H2020 Marie Curie Action Fellowship. It is held at the University Polytechnic of Catalonia in Barcelona. The project is aiming at improving wildfires observation in the context of atmospheric monitoring. The composition of atmosphere is greatly affected by biomass burning, and fire emissions are among the most dominant atmospheric sources of carbon monoxide, black carbon, and organic aerosol, as well as very important net source of carbon dioxide through, for example, deforestation or peatland fires. The study of atmospheric wildfires' impact is usually based on biomass burning emission inventories. And because of the global distribution but somewhat unpredictable and strongly varying nature of wildfire activity, the use of satellite Earth observation data is generally required for the development of such emission inventories. One available approach is based on the Fire Radiative Power Product, or FRP. It is a measure of the total radiative power from an active fire estimated from radius observation in one single spectral band in the middle infrared around 3.9 micron. We report here as an example middle infrared observation from the overpass of the VOMODIS sensor over a Santa Ana fire event that occurred in California in 2007. The GFAS biomass inventory, which is based on the FRP approach, can for example be summarized as follows. It starts from radiative observation. From this raster image, FRP is derived at the time of the overpasses. A fire evolution model is then used to calculate time series of FRP. Finally, timely gas and particle emissions are derived based on an empirical relationship which links FRP to mass consumption and tabulated emission factor. For this same Santa Ana fire event, we show here time evolution of the total column of carbon monoxide as simulated by the MAC atmospheric model, which uses the GFAS emission inventories. In this complex system, 3D FireLab focuses on the very first step, the conversion from middle infrared radiance observation to FRP measures. The project rationale is to estimate the effect of the flame on the Plume 3D geometries on the calculation of FRP. A common methodology to calculate FRP is using a one-band formulation, where by only measuring radiation in the middle infrared, the total energy is estimating using assumption that at typical fire temperature, the Planck function in the middle infrared can be approximated by a quadratic function. A key assumption in this formulation is that the scene is Lambertian, so that the observed radiance is independent of the location of the imager. The spatial distribution of flames, plume, or the surrounding vegetation can potentially violate this assumption. The objective of 3D FireLab is therefore to set up a modeling methodology capable to simulate radiative transfer in landscape-scale fire scene and render associated simulated images for comparison with observation. The simulation of satellite-scale observation being the target, we however here focus first on airborne scale images with typical scale seen of hundreds of meters. The 3D FireLab main goal is to develop an end-to-end simulation methodology using observation from experimental fire conducted in savanna vegetation. It consists in simulating the 3D scene using fire behavior metrics and vegetation distribution derived from observations, simulating image acquisition of a middle infrared imager located in the scene, and finally comparing simulated images to observation. Such simulation exercise is used to validate the different models used in the creation of the 3D scene and estimate effects of the location and view angle on middle infrared sensor acquisition. The simulation methodology of 3D FireLab can be sketched as follows. The first step of image processing extracts fire behavior metric from helicopter-borne images. This includes ortho-rectification, front segmentation, and metric calculation like rate of spread, fire intensity, FRP, flame depth, and residence time. Based on this fire behavior information, the second step simulates the plume using the MESO-NH4 fire model force with observed heat release rate. Each cell of the burning plot is set as a burner with its start and end times as well as its convective heat flux extracted from the fire behavior matrix. Optical properties of the plume are derived from simulated gas, hydrometeor, and aerosol concentration. A third step uses the development of a previous ESA project to build the 3D structures and the optical properties of the flame and the burning vegetation. The spatial distribution of the flame is based on empirical relationship of flame height, flame tilt, and vertical profile of gas and soot concentration. Optical properties are set according to gas and aerosol spectral properties found in the literature. The last step runs a 3D radiative transfer model DART with the maquette generated from the previous step, including the plume, the flame, and the vegetation. DART simulation finally provides the middle infrared images that can be compared against the original observation. The project is running until October 2022. You can follow advancements on 3dfirelab.eu.